Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I cleared my skin of hyperpigmentation, acne, and acne scars. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please watch to the end of this video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Leave me comments in the description bar below because I love talking to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's jump right into this video. So a little bit of history on my skin. My skin is normally fair for the most part, but for the past 2 months I was given a medication, and after taking it I noticed that my skin started to flare up. My skin was breaking out so bad. I had acne everywhere. So I decided that I would go ahead and experiment with the turmeric mask, and to be honest, that is what really helped me. It cleared up my hyperpigmentation and all my acne were gone. So this is day 4 after using the mask, so I decided I would come on and film it for you. So if you have hyperpigmentation or pimples and your skin is not super sensitive, you can go ahead and give this mask a try. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. So here is a list of all the items that we will be using today. So our number 1 ingredient is our turmeric, and this is organic turmeric. We'll also be using a lemon. I have a glass bowl and a spoon. Organic yogurt. And I have this mask applicator. So I'm gonna be using half of a lemon. Next, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm also gonna be using 1 teaspoon yogurt. And then I'm gonna mix this together. This is the consistency. So let's go ahead and apply the mask to our face. So let me go ahead and pin my hair back. So how I did my treatment was I applied the mask twice daily. So I would apply it in the morning and at night before I go to bed. So I'm going to allow this to sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse with lukewarm water. So this is sitting with the mask for 20 minutes. It's dry. So I'm going to rinse it off with some lukewarm water, and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so I've rinsed my face, and the first thing you're going to notice is how smooth your face is. I'm really impressed with the treatment and the results that I'm getting. So now I'm just going to go in and moisturize my face, and I'm using this Clinique moisturizer. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.